In this video, we are going to show you how to check System BIOS version of your Windows PC or laptop. The BIOS version on a Windows PC normally isn't that important, but updating your BIOS may sometimes prevent critical glitches or even deliver improved performance. Here's how to check your BIOS version in Windows. The easiest method by far is the System Information panel. Press the Windows and S key to open Windows Search and type in System Information. A new window will appear. Look for the BIOS version date field. If the date is more than 6 months old, it's probably worth checking if there's a newer BIOS available. Lastly, you can also check the version using Terminal or Command Prompt. Here's how. Press the Windows and X keys and select Terminal Admin from the list. Click Yes on the UAC prompt. Now type the following and hit Enter. You'll get a simple identifier for your BIOS version. That's it. For more tech tips and tricks, subscribe to Guiding Tech and discover one of these videos, handpicked just for you.